Welcome to Simplifying Compliance with OSHA Log. In this session, you will become familiar with the OSHA Log dashboard and learn how to track incidents, print forms, generate reports, and analyze your data. OSHA Log's dashboard boasts a clean, user-friendly design. The navigational tiles offer one-click access to tracking incidents and generating reports. Let's walk through these tiles and see how they work. To record an incident, begin by selecting the Record an Incident tile on your dashboard. You have the option to select an establishment you created prior or create a new establishment. To create a new establishment, simply select Add New Establishment and populate the fields. All fields marked with a red asterisk are required. If you do not know your NAICS code, use the OSHA Log's built-in NAICS code finder to locate and add that information. In the second step, you will select the employee involved in the incident. If the employee is not listed in the drop-down, you can add them by selecting Add New Employee and populating the required fields. Adding a department is optional. If you would like to add a department that is not listed in the drop-down, simply select Add Department and type in the name. In the Incident Time field, enter the information related to the incident time as well as the time the employee started work. If you do not have this information, you can click Next to continue or click the X to close out and update at a later time. In the incident summary, you will document the specifics of the incident. Unsure of what information to include? OSHA Log provides examples for each question to help you. Incident Details documents the specific outcome of the incident as it relates to what was affected or injured. Finally, note what care, if any, the employee received for their injury or illness. Select Next to review the incident. If all the necessary information has been entered, you will receive the following screen. This incident has been successfully recorded and is ready to digitally export or print in accordance to OSHA guidelines. Should you attempt to submit without completing all fields, you will receive a message with color-coded indicators highlighting the areas that need attention. If you don't have all the required information, simply exit the record, gather the items needed, and pick up where you left off. Access the record from the dashboard on the home page of the OSHA Log. None of the information entered is lost. Knowing where to start is sometimes the hardest part. In addition, not every injury or workers' compensation claim needs to be reported to OSHA. By answering a few simple yes and no questions, you will instantly know if the incident needs to be included in your submission to OSHA. To access this feature, select the Ask Incident Advisor tile on your dashboard. If the incident is reportable to OSHA, the system will allow you the option to record later and exit, or record now. Selecting the Record Now option will automatically launch the Record an Incident wizard. If the incident is not required to be reported to OSHA, you will receive the option to exit the wizard or continue on to document the occurrence. Choosing to record the incident will prompt the system to automatically exclude the record from OSHA submissions. The Print a Form option allows you to print Forms 300, 300A, and 301 at the click of a button. The application will do the calculations and update the appropriate fields. No adding, no errors. Complying with the electronic reporting rule has never been easier. If you use the OSHA log to track recordable incidents throughout the year, you can generate your required OSHA forms in a simple process. Analyze where your establishment's incidents fall in comparison to national averages. You are able to review and compare establishment data for OSHA recordable incidents, days away from work cases, and days away, restricted, and transfer cases, compared to the Bureau of Labor Statistics data. In addition, you can print charts and graphs or export PDFs and image files to include in reports and presentations. Along with the navigational tiles, the dashboard also has 3 additional tabs: Incidents, Establishments, and Work Hours. Incidents allows you to see the latest entries and gives you visual indicators so you can see the status of your cases at a glance. Establishments allows you to add and manage information about your establishments. The Work Hours tab makes it easy to update hours annually to remain in compliance with OSHA requirements. The OSHA log is a part of the ever-growing array of tools offered in the Zywave toolbox. This invaluable tool serves as a compliance companion and allows you to track incidents, store data, and generate OSHA-compliant reports in a few easy steps. Thank you for your interest in simplifying compliance with the OSHA log. To learn more about this or other tools in the toolbox, please contact your broker today.